Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Lamborghini. This two-door coupe has a 10-cylinder, 5.2-liter V10 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lamborghini is a steal with less than 6,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.